Hello, my name is Peter, and we're very excited to go with SitePrep for our turf for a new swing set that we decided to add.
Today, we're transforming this space into a lush green playground with artificial turf. We'll guide you through each step of the installation process. First things first, measure the area where you want to install the turf. Accurate dimensions will help ensure a perfect fit. Let's get started. Once you've got your measurements, it's time to set up. Begin by clearing the area. Remove any existing grass, weeds, rocks, and debris. Next, excavate the soil. Dig down about 2 to 4 inches to create a flat and even surface. Now it's time to prepare the base. Lay down a weed barrier fabric to prevent unwanted growth. Add a sub-base of crushed stone or gravel, about 2 to 3 inches thick, to ensure proper drainage and stability. Add a layer of rice stone, about 1 inch thick for a smooth finish. Compact the base with a plate compactor to create a solid, level foundation. With the base ready, it's time to unroll the turf. Carefully lay out the artificial turf over the prepared base. Allow it to sit for a few hours to acclimate and reduce any wrinkles. Now, cut the turf to fit your area perfectly using a utility knife. Ensure the edges meet seamlessly. If you're using multiple pieces, align the seams carefully. To keep the turf in place, nail or stake it around the perimeter and throughout the area. And that's it. Your new artificial turf is ready for endless enjoyment. Thinking about turf? While it's a bit pricier, artificial grass offers a lush, soft, and hassle-free ground cover. It's perfect for playgrounds, schools, or daycare facilities. Their laughter is our greatest reward, a reflection of the love and care we pour into our work. In those joyful moments, we're reminded why their happiness and well-being mean everything to us, making every challenge and sacrifice worthwhile.